In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving trigonometry using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, guys, I guarantee you that you'll be able to deal with problems involving trigonometry using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. So ensure you stay till the very end of this video. As usual, you're going to learn a lot. So having known that, let's get started. Before I get the TI-84 plus calculator, let's look at the questions we have here. So if you notice, we have 3 questions to practice with, of which after solving them with you will be in a better position to basically tackle problems involving trigonometry using the TI-84 plus. So this is question 1. We have given that tan theta equals this value, find sin theta. This is question 2 and this is question 3. Alright, so let's bring the calculator now and get started. So this is TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now guys, the very first thing you have to do will be to reset it. Very important to put the calculator in default mode. So to reset it, just press this second button, this plus button. Alright, we want to reset, press 7. Alright, we want to clear all one, press 1, then press 2, and it will begin to clear the calculator. RAM cleared. Alright, we are good to go. So this question 1, we have given that tan theta equals 3/4 find sin theta. Alright guys, this is the idea. What we're going to do now is that we're going to store the value of tan inverse of this value as x on the calculator and use it to find sin theta, and that will be the answer or response to this question. Is as simple as that, guys. So let's do it together. So we have tan theta. We're going to store the value of tan inverse of 3/4 now. Alright, so to bring out tan inverse, just press second and this button to come out. So we have tan inverse of, so it's in fraction. To bring out fraction, you can just press this alpha and this button. Okay, so fraction, we press 1. Alright, so we have 3/4. 3/4. Okay, then come here and close the bracket. Alright, so this is tan inverse of 3/4. Now to store this value, okay, let's press enter and see what's going to give us. So we have it to be 0.643. So to store this value, just press store. I want to store it as x. This is the x button. Press this. Alright, press enter. So it will indicate that this value has been stored as x on the calculator. So let's remove this clear button. Right now we are asked to find sin theta. Just come and impute sin. Remember, theta is being replaced with x. Okay, so we'll be replacing theta with x. Instead of sin theta, now we'll do sin x. Okay, close the brackets. So that's it. Press enter. So we have it to be 0.6. Alright, so right now let's check which value will give us 0.6 here. I think it will be option C. Let's simplify option C. 3/5. 3/5 should give us 0.6. So press alpha this button. Okay, 1. So we have 3/5. Enter. Okay, so we want to put it in decimal. Alright, just press this mouse button. So we press 2 to decimal. Okay, so answer to decimal, that's what we want. Press enter. It's 0.6. So the correct option is what? Option C. Is as simple as that, guys. Okay, hope you are getting the idea. So let's go to question 2. It says the value of tan theta equals square root of 2 minus 1. Then the value of the expression tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta is what? So let's bring the TI-84 plus again. So let's reset it because we're going to store a new number. So to reset, press second, this plus button. Alright, press 7. We want to clear all RAM. Press 1, press 2. Okay, is done. So right now let's store the value of tan inverse of square root of 2 minus 1 as x on the calculator. Alright, so to do this, you press second, this term button. Alright, tan inverse will come out. That's we have tan inverse of square root of 2. Press second and this button for square root to come out. We have 2. Then make use of this negative sign for the minus. Don't use this one here, guys, for this situation. Alright, firstly, you need to give space before putting the minus sign. Alright, give space, guys. Minus 1, close the bracket. Okay, so press enter. So we have it to be this. Store it as x. We press the stop button. This is for x. Press enter. So the value has been stored as x. Let's use it to simplify this expression tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so let's clear this. We have a fraction. We press this alpha and this button for fraction. Okay, press 1. Alright, so we have tan x, close the bracket, over, we have 1 plus tan square theta. Now guys, tan square theta means tan theta times tan theta. Alright, so another way you can do it on a calculator is to represent it with tan x square. Remember that x is representing theta. Alright, so it will be tan x square. Alright, so this is okay. Alright, so let's press enter now to see the output. So we have it to be 0.35. Right now we are going to simplify the option. Anyone that gives us 0.35 will be the answer, but I think it will be option B. Let's check it. So we have square root of 2 over 4. Let's clear this. So is in fraction. Press alpha, this button, press 1. So we have square root of 2 over 4. Press enter. 0.35. Correct. So guys, this is the answer to this question, option B. Alright, so it's as simple as that, guys. So let's solve question 3, and after it we'll call it a class. Hope you are learning something from this video, guys. Now if you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you're learning from this video. I really appreciate this, guys, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people out there. Alright, so let's solve question 3. Having done that, guys, we say the value of sine theta equals this 2 over 5. Then the value of cos theta is what? So let's solve it, guys. Very simple. Right now we're going to store the output of sine inverse of 2 over 5 as x. Let's do it. So we need to clear, right? So to clear, press second, this plus button, press 7, press 1 to reset power, and then press 2. Okay, so it's done. Sine inverse, second sine button, sine inverse of 2 over 5. So we press alpha and this button for fraction, press 1. So we have 3 over 5. Alright, come and close the bracket, press enter. So have it to be 0.64. Let's store it as x. We press store and x, press enter. Alright, so we have stored this value as 0.64. So right now let's use it to simplify what we have cosec theta. Alright now, guys, there's no cosec on the calculator. That's why I outlined here. Note, cosec theta is something as 1 over sine theta. Alright, instead of not knowing what to do, because in trig identities Cosec is same thing as 1 over sine. Alright, so we're going to replace cosec with 1 over sine on the calculator. Since there's no cosec button on the calculator, it's as simple as that. And even what we are having here is sec, we would have replaced sec with 1 over cos. And even what we have is cot, we would have replaced cot with 1 over tan. Alright, so it's as simple as that, guys. So take note of these trig identities, very important. So right now, let's simplify 1 over sine theta with the value of x restored when we simplify sine inverse of 2 over 5. Let's do, guys. So it will be cosec theta now be 1 over the fraction, okay, 1 over sine x. So we have this for x, close the brackets. Alright, so that's it. So guys, let's press enter now to see the output. So we have it to the what 1.66. So right now let's break the options down. Anyone that gives us 1.66 will basically be the answer to this question. I think it will be option B. Let's take it, guys. So 1.66, let's clear this. So it's in fraction, press alpha, this button. Okay, press 1. So we have 5 over 3. Press enter. So convert it to decimal. We press math button, press 2, press enter. 1.66 exactly. So guys, the correct option to this question is what? Option B. So it's as simple as that, guys. Now guys, you have to ensure that the calculator is in radian mode while solving all these problems. Alright, because you are dealing with trigonometry. Don't solve it in degree. Alright, so that you will always be getting the right output. Now, by default, this calculator used to be in radian. Alright, so if you happen to be in degree, all you have to do is to press this mode button. Okay, you navigate down. Here is radian. If I navigate to this button, I see degree. Once I press enter, it will change to degree. For instance, if I press enter now, see this value has changed from radian to degree. So let me go back to radian. Alright, press enter. So it has switched radian again. Very important, guys, for problems like this. Okay, always solve it in radian because you are dealing with trigonometry. Now you always be getting the right output. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's call it a class here, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, sure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share, and comment on this video and how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to reset once you are done. All you have to do is to press the second button, press this plus button. Alright, press 7, press 1 to reset all one, then press 2 and it will reset. Alright, we are good to go. Thanks for watching.